Welcome to video on garage storage.
That was bad.
That doesn't matter. So basically, you're going to build a couple of frames and cut some scrap wood to mount against the side of your wall. So right now I'm just chopping down some 2x2s to their final dimensions before I put them together in the frame. Now this saw I'm using is an antique, and I actually ran out of 2x2s, so I had to go and grab my table saw and rip down an old piece of wood I found in the garden to make a couple more 2x2s. So I just set my fence to be the width of the 2x2 and pass the wood on through. Now hopefully this wood wasn't too dirty and won't wreck my saw blade, but it seemed to be okay. Now that I have enough 2x2s, I cut them all to dimension and drilled some pocket holes so that I can attach my frame. You can use anything you want to put these together. You're just building a simple rectangle. I'm going to use some glue and pocket holes to hold it all together. So I just used the shelf itself as a little assembly table on the floor, and I started gluing and screwing. Unfortunately, I didn't have any clamps or anything to hold these together, so I just kind of had to push them together as I drove the screw in. So for me, I'm just building 2 shelves for now, so I just put 2 of these frames together. Just make sure you measure these so that the opening allows for your shelf to slide in. Then you're going to want to measure where your supports are going to be in the roof and on the wall, and pre-drill some holes for screws for attaching everything up. You're also going to want to mark the height that the shelves are going to hang, and I'm just doing this by using my frame and then securing some scrap wood to the wall. So as you can see, the shelf just slides through and then rests along the scrap wood in the back. So at this point, my wife is a little worried that things are going to fall on her head. But once you screw it all down and screw it all together, it makes a really solid shelf. And there's the final product with loads of stuff on it. And so far they feel really solid. Thanks for watching.